Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In 6th standard, our first lesson is angles. In 5th standard, all of you used set square to divide the circle into equal parts. Let us look at the picture. In the first set square, two angles are same and one angle is different. It means two angles are 45 degree and one angle is 90 degree. Two angles are same and one angle is different here. In the second picture, three angles are different. 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Three corners are different. Remember dividing the circle into equal parts using set square. You can see that on screen. Here in the first circle divided into 4 equal parts. In the second picture, circle is divided into 8 equal parts. How can we divide the circle into 3 and 6 equal parts? Can you say? Look at the picture on screen. Circle is divided into 3 and 6 equal parts using set square. Using corner of a 2 set square, we can divide the circle into 3 and 6 equal parts. Okay. Here you can see 3 and 6 equal parts. How can we divide the circle into? Can you say how much equal parts we can make in circle? We can divide the circle into 360 equal parts. Each angle is 1 degree. Is it clear now? Okay, now how can we divide the circle into 5 equal parts? See, let us see that. When we divide the circle into 5 equal parts, we have to divide 360 by 5. 360 by 5. 5 7 times 35. 36 minus 35 is 1. So we should put this 0 here. So 5 2 times 10. So what is the answer here? 72. 72 is the answer. So we can make 5 equal parts of 72 degree angles. Okay, can you say how can we divide the circle into 10 equal parts? To divide the circle into 10 equal parts, we have to divide 360 by 10. So 10 3 times 30. Here 36 minus 30 is 6. So we should put this 0 here. So 10 6 times 60. So answer 36. So we can make 10 equal parts of 10 degree each. Okay. Here we cannot use set square to divide the circle. So what we can do there? There is a device in your geometry box. It is called a protractor. You can see that on picture. You can see numbers at the end of each line. See the numbers from 0 to 180. First one, to draw the angle of 10 degree, first you have to draw the line. Then we have to mark the point 10 degree. You can see small angle next. Another one is 40 degrees angle. Angle of 40 degree made by 4 angles of 10 degree each. You can see that picture of 10 degrees small angle and 40 degrees big angle. A 40 degrees angle made by 4 angles of 10 degree each. Okay, how can we measure the angles by using protractor? See the picture. In the first picture, you can see 50 degree angle. Note that how the angle is marked. First one is 50 degree and the second picture is 130 degree. Mark that it is marked there, it is 130 degree. And the third one, in the third picture you can see that straight line. That straight line is also known as right angle. 90 degrees angle is also called right angle. Is it clear now? Okay. Now I will show you some angles. You should say which are less than 90 degree and which are more than 90 degree. In the first one you can see that it is less than 90 degree. It is less than 90 degree. And the second one is more than 90 degree. Second picture is more than 90 degree. And the third one you can see that straight line. It is right angle or 90 degree. This angle is right angle. And the fourth one is less than 90 degree. And the fifth picture you can see that straight line. So it is right angle. It is 90 degrees angle, also known as right angle. And the third picture is more than 90 degree. Is it clear now? Okay. I will give you homework. You should draw the angles of 10 degree, 20 degree, 150 degree and 160 degree. Okay students. Next topic will be discussed in next class. Thank you.